Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, July 1st, 8:29 a.m., and it's the first of the month, baby. First of the month, and we got 5 XFAs, which we passed yesterday. And we're starting fresh calendar, fresh slate, fresh month, and we're going to have a very, very profitable month. I'm going to be documenting every single session and trying to explain my best why we're taking certain trades. Currently, the market is trading below the VWAP. That's the first thing I look for. Downwards trend. Okay. 20 seconds to the open. And we're going to try our best to be consistent, disciplined, use the lockout button, and just make money. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. The market's open. I hope everyone's doing really well. I hope everyone's excited for what's to come in July. Remember, we take trading day by day. It's not a get rich overnight scheme like some fake gurus make it seem. We're not going to get rich in one day, man. It's small, profitable days build up over time, and consistency pays off at the end. Because if you want to be a profitable trader, you have to be a consistent trader, which means making use of the tools that is provided in these prop firms, especially in Top Step, which I love. It's my favorite prop firm. It's my favorite setup. It's been good to me, so we stick by them. First candle extended pretty low and it went up. It's going to close on the green. Okay. And now the second candle is dipping, so we just kind of see what's going on here. Just wait. Remember, I like to trade between the hours of 8:30 for me, Central, to 9. I don't like trading past 9 a.m. If I find myself trading past 9 a.m., that means A, I'm taking too many trades, B, I'm chasing, or C, I'm revenge trading. And nothing good comes out of any three of those. So we like to just pick our spots and see what happens. I've been trading this way for 2 years now. First year wasn't profitable. I've been profitable for 1 year. And when you spend time in front of the charts, eventually you start developing and seeing patterns, and your eyes start becoming more, aware of what's happening or what's about to happen. Okay, see this. So we look at here. First candle didn't really do much. Second candle held a downwards trend. Now the second candle's going, third candle's going towards the VWAP here. I like to shrink the screens every once in a while to get the bigger picture of what's really happening here. So when everything's trading below the VWAP, I like to sell. I like to short. Okay, so I look for opportunities to short. And there's not really any major moves, so this might be a good day to be scalping, which I normally do anyway. So look at this, see, right? Okay, we're gonna wait for this candle to close, and depending where the next candle opens, we're gonna sell. Okay. Yep, I told you it's gonna go down. I did say that, right? I did say that. So we're gonna wait for a pullback, and then sometimes if it's dropping, you don't even have to wait for a pullback because it's going to continue to drop anyways. I've been in situations where I wait, but it keeps on dropping, or it keeps on getting momentum and going up, right? Either way. So situations like this, I think, even though it's not the best spot to sell, I think, we can't wait for a crazy pullback if it's going to keep on dropping. But now it's at 8:33.40, so the next candle is almost going to open, so I'm just going to wait it out here. Unless it pulls back like crazy, then we can sell. But if not, let's just wait for one more and then see what happens. push it up a little bit more. Okay. Okay, go up a little bit more. Push up, push up, push up, push up. We're gonna sell. Well, missed the opportunity again. That's fine. That would have been a perfect sell spot, to be honest. I had it. I did say, right? If it hits there, that would have been about $400 move. Let's see if we get a second chance here. Right there. I didn't get a really good spot. What am I doing here? Oh, I don't want to do that. Fuck. You know what? Whatever. It's fast. That pissed me off. We'll take the money. All right, guys, that's it. We made $386. I can explain to you what I was trying to do there. It happened so quick. Actually, what I was trying to do is I wasn't trying to move my stop loss. I was trying to move my take profit down to break even. But you know what? This might be not a bad thing. First day 386. The day's done. What time is it? 8:35. One trade, one win, and boom. That's how we do it. So what do we do today? Summary for those of you wondering, right? It was a market downtrend because it's trading below the VWAP, so we waited for a pullback. When the pullback happened, we sold for a scalp, and that's it. Take your money and run. That's the name of the game. And what do we do next? So we don't take a peek. We go manual lockout, custom lockout till tomorrow, because this prevents any chance of us fucking up, and we don't want to fuck up. Mind my language. Lockout. Boom. Day is done. Money is made. If you guys like what I'm doing here, like, subscribe. We made 386 times 5 accounts. One, two, three, four, five. That's like, let's just round up to 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, $2,000 US, which is about 2,800 Canadian. What more do I want from 6 minutes of work? Ciao, guys. We'll see you next time. If you guys like these videos, like, subscribe, comment. Everything's appreciated. Love y'all.